everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the wig that I'm wearing today. It is a machine made wig. Of course, you guys already know I have ventured off into making lace frontal and lace closure units on my sewing machine. So if you guys are inquiring about or want to inquire about having a custom unit made, make sure you contact the email in the description box below. But the hair that I'm wearing right now is from Apyelent Strands. I will link their information in the description box below. So I'm wearing 3 bundles of straight hair, 18 inches. So three bundles of 18 inches along with a 13x4 lace frontal. So I bleached the knots on the lace frontal, and this is where I'm gonna get into my first observation. So the first time I bleached the knots on the frontal, I used 40 volume developer with bleach powder, and I noticed that some of the knots on the frontal did not bleach. So I actually had to go back in yesterday to re-bleach the knots that I didn't get to on the frontal. But I did notice that some of the knots just didn't bleach. And like I said before, the first developer I used was 40 volume developer, so I'm not sure exactly about the integrity of the knots on the frontal, but it didn't bleach easily for me. So that's just an honest observation from my end. But aside from that, the bundles, of course I got 3 bundles of 18 inches. I wanted something that was slightly more doable. You know, I didn't want to go into the 20 inches and stuff like that. It's been a minute since I've actually stayed in the teen range when it comes to hair length. So I got 3 bundles of 18 inches, and the hair was really full from top to bottom. When I received the hair, I like that about it, because normally with straight hair, like some bundles, if they're not good quality, like they'll be consistently like full of flyaways. This hair wasn't. Now one thing I can say is that the bundles, I didn't wash the bundles. I did wash the frontal part even with the wig made, and I told you guys I had to re-bleach the knots yesterday. I only wet the frontal, so I didn't wash any of the bundles, and they're holding curls really well now. But the first day when I curled this hair with my curling iron, it did drop because the hair was just really too silky. And I noticed that with the frontal, since I actually washed and conditioned the frontal, that it holds curls a lot more than the bundles. So I'm assuming that when I go in to wash the bundles, that it's going to be pretty much like an easygoing process when it comes to curling the hair. But the curling iron that I use to curl this hair is the Rusk Heat Freak curling iron. I got this from Marshall's like a few years ago for like, I'm pretty sure like $25. It's a really good curling iron. I think it's only like 1 inch, and it goes up to 400 degrees, which is the degree I use when I curl this hair. I use some of the Got To Be Free spray to hold the curls in place. But aside from that, as far as like shedding, I really don't deal with a lot of shedding in this hair. Running my fingers through it so I can see if I can get something on camera for y'all. Okay, I got 1 strand right here, and as you guys can see, I'm just running my fingers through it. So you guys already know the deal when it comes to the tangling, because curling your hair is literally like a pre-trial for tangling, because of the simple fact that different strands of hair are intertwined with other strands of hair and going in different directions, blah 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 blah. But as you can see, I'm ripping these boys through it. Okay, and my curls are still intact. They're loosening up a little bit, but I'm not tripping, because I kind of did want the tousled, you know, messy beach waves, Ocean Drive, Miami housewife type of look. So not too shabby with me. I used all 3 of the bundles. I actually double wefted the first bundle because I love full hair, and I only asked for 3 bundles, and normally you guys know I like to rock with 4 bundles, but since it's 18 inches, you know, more hair comes on the weft when, you know, you get shorter lengths. So I was like, you know what, let me not OD it, let me just do 3 bundles. I doubled the bottom track, and it ended up working out in my favor because the hair looks really full, but it doesn't look overly unrealistic and wiggy. It's like the perfect density for me. So I really enjoy this. Like, this is like a get up and go wig. So right now I have the wig poorly secured with got to be glued freeze spray, because I just lifted it and it's like lifting up a little bit. But I normally wear this wig glueless. I've only been wearing the hair for about a week, and I did discover that I did make this wig in a way where I can wear it without using any type of adhesive. It does have a small flap on the side, but nothing like to the point where you can see it through my hair being down. Like, it lays down flat until you start pulling it back, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have the hairline for 100% glueless wigs to the point where like it's just sticking to your sideburns. Like, my hairline comes out a little bit further, so I just make it do what it do. I used to get really discouraged when I was never able to make a frontal wig that didn't require adhesive, but like I said, my sideburns come down far, and it just is what it is. Not everything works for everybody's hairline. But aside from that, the frontal, aside from me having a little bit of a difficulty with bleaching the knots, the frontal came pre-plucked, meaning I didn't do anything to this frontal except for put bleach on it. So the natural density, like the way that it's looking, all of this, I ain't do none of that. And I'm so appreciative, because even though plucking is the artistry when it comes to making the hairlines look natural, it is a tedious job. So getting this pre-plucked frontal and not having to put in that extra work, I was very happy about that, especially for how my wig looks now. Okay, I love it. If you guys been following me on Instagram, you guys know I've been posting about this wig often, and I've been getting a lot of inquiries to make wigs just off of the strength of this wig. So I'm really happy. Again, the name of this company is called Apyelent Strands. 3 bundles of 18 inches straight hair, along with the 13x4 18-inch lace frontal. Machine made custom unit by me, including measurements. So if you guys would like a wig made by me, make sure you hit the check the email in the description box below, and make sure you check out the website for you guys. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, she has very affordable pricing, so make sure you guys go out and check her website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me anything else that you wanted me to know, or ask me any questions in the description box below. Make sure you're subscribed and that bell is hit so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.